All right, you. Short recap of today. Minus $150 down on the day, I think. Let me check. 124. Um, so yeah, let's go. Let's go over the. I took two trades today. There were two other setups as well, which yeah, this one is insane. Missed this with like I was off the charts for maybe 3 minutes, and yeah, I'll go over it. But for today, I was looking for lower prices. 9:30 opened, and we literally just ran higher and then tapped into the singular daily SIBI. And then for ES, it's the 3-day singular inversion. And from here, I was actually expecting for us to go into these lows, and then same for ES. Like we have really clean equal lows here. This for me, if this was like a normal week, then this is 100% the target. And I am trading this week like it's a normal week, or trading it like I normally approach trading weeks anyway, or like high impact follower news weeks anyway. Um, but yeah, I took two trades here, so I was looking for shorts today. All day I was looking for shorts in these lows, into these lows. Doesn't matter how high up we are. I'm looking for shorts. Yeah, what we did, 9:30 opened, we pushed higher, we didn't have anything in here, and then yeah, we chopped here, but I took two trades on this, which were two shorts, and it was one break even, one loss, and yeah. So what we had is 2 minutes. What we did here is we chopped around. This is on a 2 minute chart, and what we had is we had this high, we had this high, we had also an SMT, but we took equal highs here, bearish bias, and we have a singular BC here, which got closed below in this candle, making this an inversion. My stops on the second highest candle. This would be first TP. That would be stage of accumulation in this market maker sell model, but I at least take a 1 and 2. So you can see I was like up 1-1 RR, and I got stopped at break even here because I was break even at 1-1 R. Once we hit 1-1 R, I put my stop break even. And you can see I got stopped out at break even. I didn't even see this, but yeah, eventually did went to wherever the target was. So unfortunate stop out there or break even there. But yeah, I also in this year I got stopped at break even on this candle, somewhere this candle I think, yeah. And then what we had here is we took out on ES. Where is it? Is this even a trade? Did I really take this? What? Let me check here. Wait, did I actually take this? What the hell? I took this. It's not even my setup. And I took a lot. Of course I took a loss. What is this? We took out one high here. What the hell? This just blows my mind. I thought we swept equal highs here. And then we closed below with this candle. And then this is my entry. And my stop was on the second highest candle, which was here. What the hell? We didn't even take equal highs. Wow. I got stopped out on that. And that was the loss that I took. Lucky on this one. Like my entry should have been here. Why the loss is so low is because my entry should have been here. My stop should have been here, but I entered on this late because the retracement was pretty high, and I entered like on here. So that's why the loss is really tiny. But this isn't even my setup. What the hell am I doing? It's not even funny, but what the hell? Yeah, what am I looking at? It's obvious. All right, so I took a loss where it wasn't even my setup. And yeah, what we had all day is nothing really. And then what we had here, and yes, this looks really hindsight. Like I don't even want to show it because if you look at this for the first time, like it's really hindsight. But these trades are like beautiful as well. We sweep equalize on this, so we sweep this high and we sweep this high. Like what is the chance of that even happening? Like the chance, maybe you would say it's pretty high, but creating a busy on there as well. But yeah, yeah, right here. So what we had is we took out the buy side here, and that was on this candle here. And then what we had here is we had a singular busy here where we closed below with this candle. And then I didn't take this, but it should have been a trade, which is, oh, it's hindsight now, but it's so annoying. Like I know this is my setup and I know that I should have taken this. But yeah, 1 and 2 would be first TP, or this inside of a 1 and no. So 1 and 2 would be first fixed TP, and then final TP would go to lowest. 75% off would go at the 1 and 2, which I didn't take this trade, and then the rest of the session nothing, and then PM session also nothing here, and then at the last moment there was, and I was off for, I don't even know, like not even 5 minutes. I just went downstairs and literally like small minutes, but yeah, that's just a lesson, but it's just crazy, and really annoying. But what we had is we had this high here, we had this high here on this one swing high, we sweep equalize on this there, and then we had a singular busy here from swing high or swing low to swing high here, and then we close below on we closed below on this here. That should have been my entry. My stop should have been on the second highest candle there. First TP will be at least a 102. That'll be 102.38. That'll be outside of a 103. So this would have been first TP, which would be a stage of accumulation in this market maker buy model. And then my final TP should be at this low, which was fully hit then. And it's so hard, man. Like these, like the things that for me that I'm struggling now is not even technical analysis, not even psychology. It's just missing my setup, which is crazy. I don't know how this happens every time, but it's really really annoying. I should be up on, don't even want to say it because I haven't calculated it anyway, but still, like, I don't even want to know the numbers, and I shouldn't know the numbers. Like, this just hindsight, it's just over now. Like, I should have been there, but it's just I think it's hard, I think it's like I've been waiting all day. I've been on the charts all day, and then the time set it 2 for him. I'm not there, which is crazy. Like, I should be on fully focused on the charts 24/7. Like, maybe on this one I missed because I was streaming as well. I don't want to blame the stream, but I should be more focused on the charts, and I tell that every time, and it's just I don't. Like, wow. It's just annoying if you see it afterwards. Like, if this would have been a loss, I would also said it. Like, this would have been my setup. I should have taken this, but I didn't. I was lucky that I didn't take this, and it was a loss. But it was my setup. If I was on the charts, then I would have taken it, and then I would have taken a loss. But it has never happened. Only the opposite. Like, was it missing winners, which is really unfortunate. Yeah, it's just really unfortunate. There's nothing to do about it, but looking back at it, it's just hard, I think. Like, there's nothing I feel like doing, like, oh, I want to make that back now. I'm going to jump in a trade now. Like, I'm going to make the money that I should have made, or I don't feel anything like that, but it's just annoying. Like, there's nothing else to say about it. It's just annoying. I can do nothing about it. I don't want to do anything about it, but it's just annoying. Like, that's the conclusion. Yeah, only, like, the loss isn't that big anyway. It's just no, it's nothing, like, ended there. But yeah, bias for tomorrow. Like, we had elections today. Elections are still going, and then probably the results are going to be I heard that it was probably going to be or tomorrow my time, 7 a.m. So there's still like 12 hours, like a bit less, like 8 hours, 12 hours, something between there. Then the last spot where you can vote will close, and I think from there it goes pretty quickly, but yeah, I'm still expecting for these lows to get taken this week, but also it wouldn't surprise me that with the elections that we're just gonna leave this as the low of the week and then just pump from there. Like, maybe we'll see. But yeah, trade recap today. Really unfortunate day, I would say. But yeah, it is what it is, and yeah, gonna be trading tomorrow AM session, and yeah, gonna end here. See ya.